Hello, I'm Greg Delaney, user advocate for Venafi Cloud. With the power of SaaS, we're taking your feedback and pushing updates to you as soon as they're ready. And I have to tell you about an exciting update that we just made to our dashboard. Here we go. It's a simple update, but it plays a big part in helping you to get ahead of outages caused by expired TLS certificates. These are probably the most important issues that you need to take a look at today. The first number is expired certificates that are still installed. There's a tooltip that helps to explain this to you should you ever forget. Simply click on the number to view those certificates, and you can also see where they're installed. The next number are old certificates. We found updated versions of this certificate installed elsewhere. You may have forgotten about these. This might have been perhaps it's load balance servers that might have been forgotten. You might have replaced the main. You might have replaced the certificate on the main server, and this actually happens quite often with wildcard certificates. To help you, you can easily copy the CNAME and search your inventory to find the original certificate. You can see that the old certificate, looking at the details, it expires in April. The current certificate expires in August. This isn't going to cause an outage right away, but if you forget about it, it might cause an outage later. On the current certificate, we also show you the previous version. The previous version, then you can click on the SHA-1 fingerprint or simply search on it. Outage Predict is going to allow you to navigate to that certificate within your inventory. We're building a lot. We're building very fast. Venafi has over 14 years of experience and over 30 patents, so you can feel confident that we're building what you need to manage your machine identities. With Venafi Cloud, we're also starting to offer subscription services to renew certificates. We'll provide integrations with popular CAs and also enable compliance policies that you can set. Let us know if this is something that you're interested in. We love working with you.